Welcome back, viewers. Vinny here again, and if you remember, I did some aggressive pruning in my vineyard this winter. Well, now let's take a look to see how it all grew back.
greensandmachines.com.
Hey folks, we can see that pruning was a definite success from last year, because look at how bushy our vines are. Ooh, got some clusters forming here. This is our Chardonnay, our main one. We got a lot of leaf growth, and I'm seeing a lot of clusters growing in here. Another one down there. So you can see this one's a little less behind. Seeing these on the ones I have at home too, like red coloration on the tips. Must be nutrient imbalance or something. But it seems to go away once the leaves develop. Actually, all of them are like that. Probably normal. And here we go. Look at all these clusters forming at the end here. Okay, this one looks like, I believe this is the Pinot Noir. It's going to be a big producer this year. Oh man, the Symphony is really far behind. This is the biggest producer last year. Must just be a slow starter. Look at that there. So now we're going to take a look at all the younger grapes here, and this is the part I muted because there was a dog that wouldn't stop barking. So these younger ones are starting to establish. I believe I see a few clusters on these vines. Oh, there's a lot of weeds in that bucket. I've got to prune them all out. That's the Tempranillo vine. I took a lot of cuttings from that one this year. So now we're moving into the red grape section. I've got several vines here, the Syrah, Alionico, a few Zinfandel vines, and there's another red. I do not remember what that is off the top of my head. So I mentioned it in my other video when I was propagating the Tempranillo cuttings, but because of the event that I typically get all my new vines from, Picnic Day was canceled because of the current outbreak. There are no new varietals coming to the vineyard this year, so the best I can do is all the cuttings I took. If you haven't seen how to propagate grapes from cuttings, I recommend you go check out that video now.